This is the ViewSonic LS740HD, a professional-grade 1080p laser projector designed to deliver high-impact visuals in large spaces like classrooms, conference rooms, and auditoriums. Unlike standard projectors, this one is engineered for brightness, flexibility, and durability, making it ideal for environments where clarity and reliability are critical. The LS740HD delivers 5,000 lumens of brightness. That's extremely powerful, allowing presentations and videos to remain sharp even under bright ambient lighting. It makes sure slides, charts, and videos stand out no matter where it's installed. The full HD 1080p resolution enhances this further, providing crisp, detailed visuals that are easy to read from a distance, which is essential for professional and educational settings. What sets this projector apart is its laser light engine. Unlike traditional lamp projectors, the laser source in the LS740HD can last up to 30,000 hours. There's no need for constant lamp replacements, and brightness and color consistency remain strong over time. This makes it a low-maintenance, high-reliability solution for schools, offices, and large venues where the projector is in frequent use. Installation flexibility is a major advantage. The LS740HD features a 1.3x optical zoom, horizontal and vertical keystone correction, and four-corner adjustment. This means you can place the projector almost anywhere and still get a perfectly aligned, rectangular image. Add to that its 360-degree projection capability, and you can even project onto angled surfaces or ceilings without compromising image quality. Color accuracy is enhanced by ViewSonic's supercolor technology. The projector maintains natural, vivid colors without oversaturation. Whites stay crisp, reds pop without bleeding, and darker shades retain depth. Whether presenting slides, educational diagrams, or videos, visuals remain professional and engaging. Despite its powerful laser engine, the LS740HD runs quietly. Its low noise level ensures that attention stays on the content rather than the device itself. The advanced cooling system keeps it running efficiently during long sessions, providing consistent performance without overheating. Connectivity options are extensive. There are dual HDMI ports, VGA, audio in/out, and LAN control. This ensures compatibility with laptops, streaming devices, and other media sources. Whether it's a straightforward plug-and-play setup or a more complex network-controlled configuration, the LS740HD is ready to meet professional demands. For organizations, this projector represents a long-term investment. Its laser light engine reduces maintenance costs, it's energy efficient, and it can handle continuous operation without degrading image quality. In practical use, it delivers consistently sharp images with accurate colors, even at larger projection sizes. This makes it ideal for enhancing engagement in classrooms, boardrooms, and event halls. The LS740HD combines performance and durability. It's not designed to be flashy, but it excels where it matters: reliability, brightness, color accuracy, and installation versatility. For businesses or institutions that need high-quality, professional visuals every time, it's a solution that covers all the essential bases. Every feature works together to deliver clarity and consistency. Large text is legible, video playback is smooth, and images stay bright even in challenging lighting conditions. This projector is built to make presentations and visual content impactful, whether it's in education, corporate environments, or live events. If a dependable, high-lumen, low-maintenance projector with versatile installation options is what you're after, the ViewSonic LS740HD is worth considering. It's a professional tool designed for consistent results, making it suitable for almost any large space projection scenario. To get the ViewSonic LS740HD 5000 lumens 1080p laser projector with 1.3x optical zoom, H/V keystone, four-corner adjustment, and 360-degree projection for auditoriums, classrooms, or conference rooms, check the link in the description.